Hello everyone, and welcome to the tutorial video on how to fix "it looks like this is a premium phone number" in ChatGPT. Now, the premium phone number mentioned on the ChatGPT is referred as the number that is associated with the charge that is higher than the normal phone number that we use, right? So the reasons that ChatGPT is asking for a non-premium phone number is because non-premium phone numbers are more available than the premium ones, so that the services reach more audience. The next reason that ChatGPT is asking for a non-premium phone number might be to make sure that ChatGPT is easier to use because premium phone numbers are not so widely used. Now these are the solutions that might help you to fix this problem. So the first solution that you can try is by adding 00 prefix to current number. Now if this doesn't work out, then what you can do is change the number and then you can add 00 prefix to it and then click on send code. The next solution might be to make sure that the number is non-premium number. This is the most crucial thing that you have to remember when you're trying to solve this problem, that the number should be non-premium. The third solution might be to use the personal phone number or some relative's phone number. And now if you've tried all these solutions and any of the solutions don't work out, then what you can do is go to gmail.com and send a personal email to OpenAI customer service at support.openai.com by stating the problem you've been facing, and ChatGPT should get to the problem as soon as possible. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.